This is a fit for a 2010 through 2018 Toyota 4Runner with the factory roof rails removed. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack Pioneer Platform quick mount on tracks. The system is using the Pioneer Platform, which measures 76 inches in length and 49 inches wide. It's low profile at only 1.5 inches thick. Constructed of lightweight aluminum alloy with a durable powder coat finish. Multiple planks, have a track to accommodate a wide range of off-road and recreational accessories. This platform is supported by the RLT600 Legs, which include locks. There are 3 legs on each side. This gives the platform a weight rating of 220 pounds, evenly distributed. The legs are attached to the Rhino-Rack RTS 545 tracks. These tracks use a combination of the factory fixed point connections as well as drilled and riveted connections. It too is aluminum alloy. Stainless steel fasteners are included. Rivets are also included and end caps for a finished look. This track is custom made specifically for this generation of 4Runner, giving it a very flush custom fit. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.